What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Things. My name is Steve, and I really appreciate you being here. Man, we got this Civic almost put back together. I do need to do a little bit of cleanup with the paint right there, but we got the grill back on. We got the hood down. I have not sanded it yet, so it does still need to be 1,000, 2,000, then buffed. Yeah, I mean, you know, as far as everything goes, it's back together for now. My main task is now going to be this motor mount kit. Hopefully I can get all 5 on. I believe there are 5. Yeah, but there is a lot of shiftage in my motor. There's a lot of movement in the motor when I'm accelerating, so it definitely has to be done. They're just OEM regular replacements. I didn't want any kind of solid mount or anything like that. So yeah, anyway, that's ready to go on. So I'm gonna bring the jack around front and get everything taken care of and ready to go, I suppose. All right, so let's get the jack up front here and get the motor mount stuff taken care of. The fact that took me 20 minutes was kind of crazy, but this motor mount is off now. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep hammering through them. I'm not gonna do them in any particular order, or probably won't even get to all of them tonight, but just working until dinner time, you know what I mean? So, let's get it back in. If you haven't, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I'm really working here trying to get this Civic on the road to get you some good content. That's the motor mount down there. This is the windshield wiper. Irrelevant. That's the motor mount down there. So I have to take off the bar, the charge pipe, the 2 hoses, and then I should have access. That is a lot of work to go through for a motor mount, but you know, do it now. Don't have to do it for another 3 years. Let's get to it. Alrighty, y'all, so next day, got almost everything put back together, I believe. Everything sorted and put away. I did not get to the rear motor mount. I just don't have time this weekend, so I'll get that done next weekend. But I got every single one but that done. I do need to figure out what I'm doing with the bolt situation on this side, the transmission mount. There was one stripped, so got to figure out what I'm doing there. Other than that, I'm getting ready to fire it up. Got my catch cam put back on, got my map sensor, wiring fixed, charger tube on. It's ready to fire up. Just want to make sure everything's copacetic, you know what I mean? There's no reason really to fire it up other than making sure everything's plugged up. So, all right, let's give it a go. Y'all, we have a little bit of a problem. This is pretty sad for me. I broke my Craftsman wrench, like genuine, like not even new Craftsman, like I don't even know if Craftsman's still around, but this was old, man. I don't know if it's warranted. That sure broke off right there. So, that sucks. Time to fire it over. Garage door's closed, so I'm gonna be quick about this. Smells like Play-Doh in here.